Hello, welcome back. Today's hair tutorial is my favorite half up hairstyle. It's beautiful, easy, and perfect for any special occasion. Now, when I'm getting ready for a wedding or special event, I love to add hair extensions for that extra fullness and length. They really elevate any hairstyle. Now, this video is sponsored by Luxy Hair, and I'm using their 20-inch dimensional Beige Blonde Halo Hair Extensions. Now, I've already curled my natural hair just to help everything blend, and I curled the halo ahead of time too with a 1-inch wand to create that soft, romantic wave we're going for. So you just trace 2 inches back from your hairline, clip this section away, and place the halo on your head, securing it. It also comes with 2 additional 2-clip wefts, which are perfect for adding a little extra fullness around your face. Then you let your hair down, and it's that easy. Now, if you want a full tutorial, I've linked it in the description, along with everything I used today and a discount code. Now, for the half up, begin by tracing from your temples to the back of your head and section this off completely. Then comb through the section for a smooth, clean look and pull out any face framing pieces, and then secure the section tightly with a hair elastic. Once secured, you can pinch and pull the hair around your crown to create an effortless feel and add volume. Next, take a small hair elastic and attach 2 bobby pins to each end, like this. Then clip your ponytail up out of the way, and about 1 inch above your elastic, slide 1 bobby pin into the right side. Hold it in place with your thumb as you pull the elastic across, then insert the second bobby pin inwards from the left. Now unclip your ponytail, flip it down, fan it out for that soft, pretty volume, and finish by adding a touch of oil to smooth flyaways. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.